Hello everyone. So now I am doing love message reading. So this is for all, not specific signs. So this is general, may or may not resonate to everyone. Maybe some part maybe resonate to you. So take what resonate and leave the rest. So let's see what's going on. This is for all signs, not for specific. Let's see. I think some stability is coming, some communication in your connection. But one person is juggling in this connection. It could be you or your person, energy could be vice versa. Because Two of Pentacles with Four of Pentacles, definitely one person holding back their feelings. Because there are some secrets hidden in this connection. The moon is here. You or your person could be Pisces also. And definitely one person is holding back. It could be your person, but one person want reconciliation and they are coming back. Six of Cups, yeah, reconciliation. I think you both have strong soulmate or past life connections with each other, but one person listening to their highest self. Yeah, they're listening to their intuition. I think you both could be twin flames also, 11 and 11. But one person may be concentrating on their career, making money, concentrating on their career more than this relationship. But one person is coming back. I think your person may be coming back to you who so my viewers, I think your person may be coming back to you. Energy could be vice versa. Take what resonate. Definitely one person is coming back for reconciliation. They're still hoping for this connection. You or your person could be Aquarius. Definitely your person coming back for reconciliation, or you're going for reconciliation towards your person. Energy could be vice versa. But there are some secrets hidden in this connection, some misunderstandings, some illusions. Okay. That create resistance in this connection. Maybe your person hiding something from you. I think for some it could be third party situation also, but now you are listening to the higher self. Some communication truth coming out is coming. Yeah, I think your person still hoping for this connection. They want reconciliation with you because Six of Cups is here and King of Pentacles, and this person want to offer stability. So this is the story. So let's see your person current feelings and then near future actions towards you. Okay, so those who watching this, let's see, it's your story. Then what's your person thinking about? So energy could be vice versa. So take what resonate and leave the rest, guys. So let's see the other person feelings. Yeah, they're stuck. Yeah, I think you person may be at juggling. Yeah, definitely. For some you want reconciliation with your person, but now your person waiting for the right time to come towards you. Definitely they are thinking about to make a move towards you, but they are at some crossroads. Definitely this person, I think it could be your person. It could be definitely this person is at some crossroad and this person has to make some decision. Okay, so Three of Wands, and this could be long distance relationship. You both live in different cities, countries or states. Definitely this person is stuck on the other person and thinking about their person a lot. The Hanged Man. I think the one person who's still wishing for this connection, it could be you also. You also wishing for reconciliation. I think for some there is separation, for some there is no contact. If there is any contact between both of you, it is very less. Okay, definitely some juggling is going between both of you. So let's see your person near future actions towards you. Yeah, separation, Five of Cups. What's Five of Cups, Two of Cups, Seven of Swords. I think there is some deception in this connection, some sneaky energy, because Seven of Swords is very sneaky. I think one person in this connection for sure is sneaky, playing games with the other person. Maybe in past your person played games with you. Five of Cups, now they are feeling very sad for the separation which had happened between both of you guys. Now they're realizing that you are soulmate. Yeah. Now they're realizing their love towards you. Soulmate's card, Two of Cups. Yeah. You both are separated, but now they are realizing that you are their soulmate. Yeah, they're stuck on you literally, and they're thinking about you a lot. Yeah, definitely they are going to be choose you. Now they are recognizing their feelings for you. Three of Wands with the Two of Swords. Definitely there are some crossroads, long distance relationship, waiting for the right time to come towards you because they did something wrong to you. For some it could be third party situation also. You person may be hiding something from you. So you or your person could be Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, or Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. All energies are here. So definitely they're feeling very regret, they're feeling very, very sad for the separation. Now they are feeling that you are soulmate. I think you are super balanced. You are listening to your higher self. So who are viewing this reading right now? So let's pull some cards from universe where this connection is headed in near future outcome. So energy could be vice versa, guys. Take what resonate and leave the rest. Seven of Pentacles, Ace of Wands, okay, the World, Five of Swords. See, definitely there are some disturbances. I think you person may be backstabbed on you. Definitely there is some backstabbing and some sneaky energy, playing games. I think for some you are not going to accept this reconciliation. For some definitely, because there is sneaky energy and Five of Swords energy. Some cycles are going to be end. There is some painful endings between both of you, but there is a lot of passion. Still there is attraction between both of you. Yeah, they are coming back for reconciliation, but it's up to you. Because there is some sneaky energy. For some you person really feeling sad for what they did in past. Now they are coming back for reconciliation. There is a lot of passion. Now they want to invest in this connection. In past you invested in this connection. Definitely you are always there for your person. Now they realize you both. Now they are coming back for second chance. But be careful if you already know that your person putting you in third party situation. Okay, because there is some sneaky energy. Seven of Swords with Five of Swords. So be careful because these are very negative energies. But they are feeling sad. They are coming back for reconciliation. But it totally up to you. I think you are holding back what I am getting here. You are holding back your feelings because there are some trust issues. You don't want to trust this person again. Okay. So let's see your overall energy. What your energy? Yeah, you are thinking. You are also sad. But you stand by your power. Yeah, there is some deception in this connection. This creates resistance. There is a lot of resistance in this connection. And devil, you or your person could be Capricorn also. And definitely you stand by your power. This time you are very stubborn. And yeah, even though because you are also feeling sad for the separation. Because you invested in this connection. You trust your person. But they have lost their trust. Definitely you are also feeling sad. And you are thinking about your person also a lot. And this could be long distance relationship also. Okay. But you are holding back your feelings. What I am saying. Your person's King of Swords, see, Eight of Swords, stuck, and Five of Wands, drama, Two of Wands. Yeah, you both are thinking about each other, definitely, and Five of Wands, there is some drama involved in this connection. I think your person may be fighting for your attention, and Eight of Swords. Definitely they are stuck on you. Hanged Man, Hanged Woman, and Eight of Swords. Definitely they are stuck on you. Now they are realizing their feelings for you. King of Swords, yeah, communication. They want to express their feelings to you, and this time they want to be honest, and they want to express their true feelings. What I am getting here, but once again I am telling that Seven of Swords with Five of Swords and Five of Wands. Definitely there is some negative sneaky energy. So They're coming back for reconciliation. You both are thinking about each other. You both are separated, but they're coming back. First, final decision is yours. Depending upon your situation, you have to make decision. Okay, guys. So this is the reading for you. So, yeah, for some it could be ending. Definitely the world. For some, very rare, there will be some new beginnings. Ace of Wands. It's totally up to you. If you give another chance, definitely there will be passionate new beginnings between both of you. Ace of Wands. I think for some, you will choose to move on from this person because this person is sneaky. So take what resonate. Maybe some part of this reading may only resonated to you. Take that part only. Okay. So this is the reading for you guys. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like, and subscribe my channel. Please do support me, guys, and click the bell icon. Then you will get all my video notifications. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Bye.